美国政府伫昨昏公布3月份消费者物价指数的月增率是0.4%，一那年增率是3.5%，这拢超过市场的预期。所以这嘛表示讲，联准会本来打算6月份要提早降利息的这个希望，恐惊会乌有去。
美国股市持续上涨，道琼工业指数达1.09%，标普500达0.95%，纳斯达克0.84%，费城半导体1.05%。劳工部公布3月消费者物价指数年增率3.5%，毋但比市场预期3.4%悬，也比1月份3.2%较悬。原本之前预期联准会6月降利息行動，即馬會塑化去。
Markets today are really moving all on the inflation data, where investors are really having to grapple with the potential for many fewer Fed rate cuts, which is pushing interest rates up along with higher inflation expectations.
美国总统拜登被問到相關問題時，陣表示，家己預測今年有望有降利息嘅機會。
Well, I do stand by my prediction that before the year is out, there will be a rate cut. We have dramatically reduced inflation from 9% down to close to 3%.
聯準會已經明確表示，在經濟健康發展情形之下，無條件調降基準利率，進前預測是會調降300利息。公司新聞黃文玲報道。